Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam.
Get ready for some serious comparison, controversy, and of course our signature humor. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about video quality, because we all want crystal clear footage of those crazy moments on the road. The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam boasts a dual-lens 1080p camera that captures both the road front and in simultaneously.
It's like having eyes everywhere. Now, let's shed some light on night vision capabilities.
We all know that sometimes the most interesting things happen after the sun goes down.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam features infrared night vision with 4 IR LED lights, ensuring flawless footage even in the darkest of cabins.
Picture this: you park your car, and suddenly someone decides to test their parking skills on your precious vehicle. That's where parking mode comes in handy.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam offers a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode, so it starts recording the moment it detects any movement. Now let's talk about the design. We all want a dashcam that doesn't obstruct our view or distract us while driving.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam keeps it sleek and compact, blending seamlessly into your car's interior.
Based on online reviews, the Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam is praised for its high-definition video quality, infrared night vision, motion-activated parking mode, and sleek design.
On the other hand, the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dashcam is highly regarded for its impressive night vision, 24-hour parking monitor, and hidden design.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam and the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dashcam in various categories, from video quality to night vision and even parking mode.
Both cameras have their own unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences.
Remember, always do your research and compare products before making any purchasing decisions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.